Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving the problem possible victory. So it says like chef is playing in a T20 cricket match. In a match, team A plays for 20 overs and in a single over the team gets to play 6 times, and in each of these 6 tries they can score a maximum of 6 runs. So it is basically a cricket logic. So I'll be telling you, don't worry. So after team A's 20 overs are finished, team B similarly plays for 20 overs and tries to get a higher total score than the first team in order to win. So the team with the higher score at the end wins the match. So chef is in the team B. Team A has already played their 20 overs and has gotten a score of R runs. Chef's team B has started playing and have already scored C runs in the first O overs. Okay, so chef's team, which is team B, they have played for 20, O overs and they have scored C runs. In the remaining 20 minus O overs, find whether it is possible for chef's team to get a score higher enough to win the game. Okay, so yeah, that is, can their final score be strictly greater than R? So okay, don't worry, I'll be explaining you on the board. So we don't have a test case here, we have just one test case and we have 3 integers. So let me take inputs. R is basically for runs the team A has scored. O is basically how many overs chef's team has played, basically B team, and C is the current score. So let me don't write ROC, I'll be writing in detail. So runs and overs and current score. Okay, so let me take their values: runs, overs, current score. So let's understand some of the examples. Okay, they have given 2 examples. In first example we have 719, 18, 648. So what we have is 719, 18, 648. So this is basically R which is basically runs, this is O overs, and this is C current score. So what they're saying is team A, it's a T20 cricket match. Is it looking? Yeah, so it is T20 cricket match which consists of 20 overs. So in 20 overs team A has scored R runs. Okay, they have scored this much runs, and now it is the team B in O overs. Okay, since there are 20 overs match, so O overs they have played and they have scored C runs. Okay, and what they're saying is in this remaining 20 minus O overs, because 20 over match is there, so 20 minus O overs is remaining. Okay, remaining overs, and they're saying since run R is total run, the team A has scored, so they need to score R plus 1 run, right? So what they're saying is the remaining run, let me write, which will be R minus C. C is basically current run team B has scored in O overs. Okay, so this is R minus C, this is remaining runs. So what they're saying is in this 20 minus O overs, let me call it as remaining over. Okay, and this is remaining score, let me write it as S. So what they're saying, in this remaining over they need to score runs which are strictly greater than R minus S. Why strictly greater? Because in order to win they have to score R plus 1. So we have taken only R runs here, that's why they have to strictly this R minus C remaining score whatever is there, that should be strictly greater. So I think you guys got to know what is the problem statement. And one more thing they are saying is as usual, in cricket, in each over, in 1 over 6 balls can be played, right? That is what. And one ball you can score a maximum of 6 runs. When you hit 6, so that will be 6 runs. So now in this example your remaining over, let me write remaining over will be 20 minus O, so which is 20 minus 18, this is O, this is not 0, this is O. Okay, let me write O in this way. Okay, so we have 2 overs. So now let me calculate remaining score, which will be R minus C. R is the total score that they have scored and C is the current score, 648. So if you try to calculate this is 52 plus 19, 52 plus 20 if you do, that is 72. 72 may 1 if you remove, 71. So 71 runs is the remaining. And now since there are 2 overs, so at max, let's say in these 2 overs all the balls played by the player, they hit 6. So in that case, see, 2 overs are there. Okay, so now the maximum score, let me write here, maximum score, this is basically the score will be scored by team player B. They'll be scoring in this remaining overs. So what is the maximum possible score in the remaining overs? So you have 2 overs, which is remaining over. So each over has 6 balls, and in each ball they can hit a maximum of 6 runs. So this is the maximum score that they will be, team B can make in remaining overs. Okay, so this can be written as maximum score MS. What is remaining over here? We have 2 into 6 into 6 is 36. So this is 72. So team B in the remaining 2 overs, they can score a 72 runs, and remaining score that you required is 71. So obviously this maximum score whatever is showing is strictly greater than the remaining score, which means the score whatever you need, this is the score you need in order to win. And if you make this much score, that will be a draw match. But if you try to score 719 runs, that will be a draw match. But if you score 720 runs, then the team B will win. So this is the condition. If maximum score is greater than remaining score, so yes, you will be winning. I mean, team B will be winning. So in that case, you'll have to just display yes. So I think you guys are getting how to solve this. So let me quickly see. Yeah, in the first case we have yes. Let me try to take second example, 720. We have 18 and 64. So instead of 719, now team A has scored. This is team A. Team A score. Okay, so team A has scored 720 runs now. Now what is the remaining over? That will be correct. Give me a second. So sorry guys. Is it looking? So total overs are 20. Remaining over is O. So we have 20 minus 18, which is 2 overs. In 2 overs, maximum score, how many they'll beat? 72 runs. But now your remaining score is R minus C. So which is 720. 720 minus 640 will give you 72. So if you see here, the maximum score what you are scoring is equivalent to remaining score. Okay, like 722 equals to 72. But what you need is this MS is greater than remaining score, which is not holding good. So in this case, you will have to output no. So I think you guys are getting. So let me just code it up. So this is easy problem only. First take remaining overs. Okay, remaining overs will be 20 minus overs. Okay, now your remaining score will be, it will be total runs minus your current score, right? So now you need to calculate maximum score in the remaining over that they can achieve. Okay, which is like remaining overs. In each remaining over, which have it has 6 balls. I mean 6 balls are there, and each 6 balls you can score 6 runs. Okay, so that this is the maximum score that team B can achieve. So now you'll have to find if this maximum score is strictly greater than the remaining score. Okay, so in this case obviously team B will win, so you'll have to display yes. Else team A will win. If team A is winning, it's like it is respect to team B, so team B is not winning, so that's why you'll have to display no. So for 719 we should get yes, we are getting yes. Let's try to run it for 720, and for 720 we should get no. So yeah, we're getting, let's try to submit it. So yeah, it got accepted. So this was one of the easy problem only, I would say. Basically those who know cricket match, so they'll be solving easily. It's just that mathematics are involved. So I think after this video you guys are pretty much you can solve this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.